Hi, I'm Vandana Senthil, Brand Ambassador for Dress My Craft, sharing with you my design team kit for the December month. And thank you for stopping by. Dress My Craft is a premium brand company catering to innovative crafting supplies for versatile artists. It's an in-house production of Crafters Corner India. We are super enthusiastic and totally inspired with your overwhelming support and appreciation. Thank you so much. I'm sharing the pattern papers from Dress My Craft called My Gentleman. All the pattern papers are sized at 12 by 12 or 6 by 6 from Dress My Craft, and they are of 240 GSM, quite sturdy enough to go onto your multiple projects relating to paper crafts. And this paper collection also comes with a coordinating motif sheet, which I'll be sharing a bit later. So if you are planning to invest into this paper collection, I would suggest you also add your motif sheet into this collection, because that gives you more volume and more interesting elements could be added to your project. Now, as I'm scrolling through these papers, I'm able to read some interesting patterns and also colors that totally match from your light tones to dark tones, and you could create a very modern or a steampunk kind of look to your projects. Pastel blue textured cardstock. Now in this category there are a lot of colors, but I chose pastel blue because that suited more to my project in mind. And I'm sharing now the motif sheets for the paper line that I shared earlier. So first up is the My Gentleman motif sheet, and you can see how these elements, if added onto your project, can really bring a very interesting touch. This is from the dots in the stripe. This is from Whispering Love. And this is from the Vintage Saga collection. From the sequence category, I pulled out this Pink Story sequence and Pink Celebration sequence, which I'm just opening up to show you a closer look. And I'm going to bring that Pink Story again into the frame so you could have a look. So next is the Crystal Ice Cubes. From the flower making category, I chose some pastel colored pollens, and more or less on vintage pinks and pinks, maybe a blue that you could see on the screen right now. I'm showing some ready-made leaves. This is the pointed styrofoam pollen, some more leaves, and you could see I have two pads actually, one below the other. This is the perforating and the other one is the embossing, the down one. I'm just sharing the perforating pad code. And perforating pad is very helpful to pierce your flowers. An embossing pad is for creating the grooves. And this is the Grungy Alphabet stencil. This is Artist Canvas stencil. Moving on to the punches category, I decided to invest in some circle punches, so I bought a 2-inch circle punch, and you can see the measurement is described on the punch itself. And then I have 1.5-inch punch, circle punch, and it's The measurements are right up on the punch itself. These are the decorative punches, and I'm just showing you how they look. And at this point, I think this is the circle dot flower punch. They come with this rubber tags and some grooves on the punch itself, so you could size up your paper. The next one is daisy border punch, and that is how it looks. This is dotted heart border punch. So I have punched them out in this gold mirror cardstock from Dress My Craft. This is a flower chain daisy punch. That's how it looks. Now I'm going to bring your attention to the metal dies. And first one was the ruffled rose. This is the foliage and the leaves. This is floral hug, floral love, and finally the floral doily. These all go with your easy cut die cut machine, launched by Dress My Craft recently, and it's gathering so much popularity, and the dies are making it just super interesting for us to work with. So this tack punch was also included in my design team kit, and this tack punch is sized at 1.5 inch, 2 inch and 2.5 inch. They come with a very sturdy handle, and you can see at the bottom of the punch there are those rubber tacks which help the punch not to skid on the surface. And the markings are very clearly given on the groove of the punch. And then I had this silver mirror cardstock as well as gold mirror cardstock added to my kit. I've been working with these and they're quite interesting to highlight certain elements. And these are the shaker embellishments. So first up is the sweet candies. I've never worked honestly with them before, so this will quite prove interesting to work with. They look so tiny. Oh, this excites me actually. Very pretty. So I've never used shaker embellishments, like literally you could say, so this will be my first experience hands-on with them. This is the smiling clouds, and they look super cute. I think these will go very much for the paper collections that are more on the pastel zones. So you could add these as your embellishments or an extra kind of added on element to your project. And right now I think I'm blurring on the screen. This is the ice cream candies. Oh, these are super pretty. Love the small hearts on them. So I don't know what kind of project I'm going to do using these, but I'm sure I'll come up with something creative. Oh, Mickey faces. Ooh, I love this. This has got all the colors going for me. So pretty. I love the pastel tones on it. Very much interested in seeing how I'm able to utilize this into my project. Yes. So I think that wraps up everything. I think I've added more or less everything into my DT kit, and this one is the penguins, I think. Yeah, very cute. So you get those tiny cute penguins. Quite a lot for a tiny box that it is, but totally, filled to the brim. Then we have the yellow chicks. Oh, that's super cute. But these are so tiny. I don't know how I'm going to use this. Okay, now my brain is like going a bit crazy. I think I'll have a bit of challenge using these. So that's it, and I'm wrapping it up here. I hope you have enjoyed my DT kit, and please let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for being here, and thoroughly enjoyed the experience of sharing it with you guys. Thank you.